Welcome to Good to Know. In today's fast-paced world, achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire is a dream for many. The allure of abundance, independence, and the ability to live life on one's terms has captured the imagination of individuals across the globe. However, the journey to becoming a millionaire requires a strategic and focused approach, along with the right mindset. In this article, we'll explore the step-by-step path to attaining millionaire status, breaking free from the traditional slow path to financial independence. 1. Understanding the value of time in wealth building. One of the critical factors in becoming a millionaire is recognizing the value of time in wealth accumulation. While money is essential, the time it takes to accumulate wealth is equally significant. For instance, if one earns $1 million over 40 years, the financial freedom achieved will be different from someone earning the same amount within a year. By prioritizing the speed of income generation, individuals can reach millionaire status earlier in life, allowing them more time to enjoy the rewards of their efforts. 2. Prioritize speed in earning money. Instead of solely focusing on the amount of money one can earn, prioritizing the speed of income generation is crucial. Rapidly increasing income enables individuals to experience financial freedom earlier and enjoy the fruits of their labor for an extended period. The idea is not just to amass wealth but to maximize the time available to relish the benefits of financial success. 3. Think big and set ambitious goals. Becoming a millionaire requires thinking beyond conventional boundaries and setting audacious financial goals. By aiming high and believing in one's capabilities, individuals can increase their potential for financial success. Setting ambitious goals motivates individuals to take decisive actions and seek out opportunities that align with their objectives, ultimately propelling them toward the path to becoming a millionaire. 4. Value your time wisely. Successful millionaires understand the importance of time as a finite resource. They prioritize activities that contribute to their financial growth and delegate or eliminate tasks that do not align with their goals. By valuing time wisely and focusing on activities that accelerate wealth building, individuals can harness the power of time to achieve financial independence sooner. 5. Learn from successful millionaires. To emulate the strategies and mindset of millionaires, learning from those who have already achieved financial success is crucial. Successful individuals offer invaluable insights into wealth-building techniques, business strategies, investment tactics, and more. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning and applying the wisdom gained from mentors can significantly impact the journey to becoming a millionaire. 6. Take calculated risks and embrace innovation. The path to becoming a millionaire often involves stepping out of one's comfort zone and taking calculated risks. Embracing innovation and identifying untapped opportunities are key elements in the journey towards extraordinary financial success. Successful millionaires are not afraid to challenge conventional wisdom and seek novel solutions to propel their endeavors forward. Conclusion: becoming a millionaire and achieving financial freedom is an attainable goal with the right mindset and strategic approach. By understanding the value of time in wealth building, prioritizing the speed of income generation, setting ambitious goals, valuing time wisely, learning from successful mentors, and embracing innovation, individuals can unlock the path to becoming a millionaire faster than they ever thought possible. The journey towards financial independence requires determination, dedication, and a willingness to take calculated risks. By embracing the principles outlined in this article, individuals can overcome obstacles and seize opportunities to transform their dreams into reality. The path to becoming a millionaire starts with a single step. So, are you ready to take that step and embark on the journey to financial freedom? The time to start is now. Please subscribe to our channel.